Would you like to improve your English fluency? I think you should take a few moments to practice with me, Gabby from GoNaturalEnglish.com. Could you leave a comment with your questions and your practice examples? Well, would, should, and could are the topic of this video lesson. I am super excited to share some practical examples and to show you clearly how to use these words in English. Could and would can be expressing reported speech. For example, in the present tense, I might ask you, will you join me for a coffee? Then if you told your friend, you would say, Gabby asked if I would join her for a coffee. So it's most correct to say, Gabby asked me if I would. Asked, past tense, if I would, past tense of will. Now, I've made other videos about this topic or similar topics that I'll link to in the description. So if you want to learn more, you can do that. Also, if you'd like to take a premium course at Go Natural English, make sure to check out the description for links on our premium courses and how to join them. Can and could. I could ask you, that's a possibility, that's another way to use it. Can you join me for a coffee? And then you would tell your friend, oh, Gabby from Go Natural English asked me if I could join her for a coffee. So you're reporting what I said to you. So similarly, we know that could is the past tense of can and would is the past of will. Now be careful because would is expressing a possibility. In the past tense, we usually know what happened, right? So we have to express that it was an idea we had in the past tense. Like, for example, in the present, I could say, if we leave now, we are going to be late to the party. I was sure we would be late to the party. It's a thought, I was sure, but the reality was we either were late or we were not late. I can use it in the present with can. I can go outside today without my raincoat. It's not raining. Yesterday, I could go outside with a raincoat because it was raining. Now remember, should is over here because it's really just used to talk about opinions and advice. So we'll get to that in just a moment. So watch until the end. Would and could are probably most often used for possibility. Expressing something that you're not sure about, but maybe you're extending an invitation, or you have a thought that it might be possible, like it's cloudy, it could rain. Maybe we don't want to go to the park right now, it could rain. What would you like to eat for dinner? Oh, we could go out to the new Mexican restaurant. I think it looks really good. Would, on the other hand, is more hypothetical. So not just possibility, but hypothetical. If I had more time, I would meditate for 2 hours every day, but I don't have the time. I would like to quit my job and move to the countryside, but I'm not going to. Just hypothetical, not probable. Okay, share an example with me because by practicing, you're going to improve your own fluency. What is something that you would like to do, but you're not going to, it's not real, it's just hypothetical. Share with me in the comments. Would is also used for invitations. Would you like to have a cup of coffee with me? Would you like to go to the park? Would you like a glass of water? Would you like to improve your English? Could is used more for requests. Could you pass the salt? Could I please speak with your friend? We can use could or would for requests. Could you help me? Would you help me? It doesn't really make a difference which you use. You can also use would and could to ask for permission. Would you mind if I have to leave early? Could I stay at your place if I can't find a good hotel? There are a few set phrases that are super helpful to memorize, like would you mind if? Would it be okay if? Or would you please do something? Would you sounds would ya when you speak quickly. Would you mind if? Would you mind if I have to leave a little early? Would you like to add anything to this lesson? Could you give us some examples? Please share in the comments. I would love it if you could share your questions and suggestions. I'll be watching for you. Thank you so much for watching this English lesson. Bye for now.